Welcome to your guided meditation for financial abundance. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress from your body. Now imagine yourself surrounded by a shimmering golden light, a symbol of prosperity and abundance. Feel this light engulfing you, filling you up with a sense of safety and security. Visualize yourself standing in a lush garden with vibrant flowers and trees all around. The air is filled with a soothing, gentle breeze. As you walk through this garden, you feel a deep connection to the abundance of nature. Take a moment to reflect on your current financial situation. Acknowledge any concerns or worries you may have, but also remind yourself that abundance is your birthright. Trust in your ability to manifest financial prosperity. Now shift your focus to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any limiting beliefs or doubts about your financial situation. With each breath, allow yourself to let go of fear and embrace a mindset of abundance. Imagine a stream of golden light flowing into your body with every inhale, infusing your mind and spirit with positive energy. As you exhale, visualize any financial limitations or negative thoughts leaving your body, dissolving into the universe. Now repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud, fully embracing their meaning. I am open to receiving abundant financial opportunities. I attract prosperity and abundance into my life effortlessly. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more financially abundant. feel the power of these affirmations resonating with you, aligning your energy with the vibration of abundance. Take a moment to visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. See yourself managing your finances wisely, making sound investments, and receiving unexpected windfalls. Allow yourself to feel the excitement and joy that comes with every financial abundance. As we come to the end of this meditation, express gratitude for the abundance that already exist in your life. Thank the universe for its continuous support and the opportunities it provides. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with renewed energy and prosperity. Exhale slowly, feeling a sense of gratitude and contentment. Inhale again into your heart space. Exhale. Very slowly. Feel your whole body radiating golden light. Your body feels this beautiful, warm sensation from your head to your hands, to your fingertips, to the top of your feet, to the bottom of your feet, all the way out your toes. Inhale, feel your belly rise. Exhale, feel your belly fall. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this feeling of abundance and gratitude with you throughout your day. Remember, you have the power to manifest financial abundance in your life. Trust in yourself and the universe, and watch as opportunities unfold before you.